Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Genuine Funda. Now I discuss most important LCM maths. Find the smallest 5-digit perfect square number which is exactly divisible by 8, 15 and 20. According to the question, to find the LCM of 8, 15 and 20. First we should frame it in this way. See, that is 8, 15 and 20. Okay. Next, now we should focus on to the first number, that is 8. 8 is divisible by 2. 2 fours are 8. The other number 15. 15 is not divisible by 2. We write down as it is. Now the other number 20. 20 is divisible by 2. 2 tens are 20. Now here we have 4. 4 is divisible by 2. 2 twos are 4. The other number 15. 15 is not divisible by 2. We write down as it is. The other number 10. 10 is divisible by 2. 2 fives are 10. Now here we have 2. 2 is not divisible by 5. We write down as it is. The other number 15. 15 is divisible by 5. 5 threes are 15. The other number 5. 5 is divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5. We got 2, 3 and 1. All are prime number. So our LCM, that is LCM is the product of their two-part number, that is column-wise and row-wise number. That is LCM equal 2 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 3. Now let us multiply this number, that is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 20, 20 into 2 40, 40 into 3 120. So 120 our LCM. Am I clear? In order to get a perfect square, each factor of 120 must be paired. So we need to make pair of 2, 3 and 5. That is 2 into 2 pair into 2 into 2 pair into 3 into 3 pair into 5 into 5 pair. Now 120 should be multiplied by 2, 3 and 5. That is 120 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now let us multiply this number, that is 120 into 2 240. 240 into 3 720. 720 into 5 3600, which is the greatest 4-digit perfect square number, not a smallest 5-digit perfect square number. Therefore 3600 should be multiplied by 4. That is 3600 into 4 equal 14400, which is the smallest 5-digit perfect square number, exactly divisible by 8, 15 and 20. Am I clear? Okay. Thank you for watching my video.